Morning, everyone! Oh, jump in! So today is the day of Gobe's wedding! I'll show you a villa tour now in the daytime. But yeah, my friends are up and they're about to go into the pool. Is it cold? Wow! Whoa! For some reason, our villa has 3 doors. 1, 2, and 3. Yesterday we came through this door, and as soon as you come through this door, there's already a room, which is our friend Alvin and Junie, but they've gone out, so I'm not gonna go inside. But yeah, we go this way, and then we have our beautiful villa, which is absolutely massive. We go up here, and then we have the first room. Apparently it's really messy, but that's fine. This is the first room, and then there's like a little outdoor area for showering. Cute. And then we come out here, and this is like the open kitchen and living room area. It's pretty big inside. Then we have our lovely friends in the swimming pool. And then over this side is my room. My boyfriend's still sleeping, by the way, but yeah, it's a little bit messy right now. It's a little bit small but cozy. And then this is the bathroom. And then over this side we have some sunbeds and stuff. And then we have the 4th room. No one sleeps in here because we have 2 extra rooms. Over this side we have another little house that's no one is staying in. And there's also a small kitchen. I'm gonna get ready to get in the pool, and we have a floating breakfast later. Wow, thank you, so pretty.
hangover jelly 啊，飲多2杯一陣間。
Uni dance friend, and she danced BTS. Good morning, everyone! So just come back from the spa and breakfast, and now we're back in the villa and we're just swimming right now. But yeah, we have to get the villa ready for later for the surprise bridal shower. But first, we're gonna chill a little bit by the pool, and then I'm gonna pick up Gobe to go to the surprise picnic, and then later on we'll come back to the villa, we'll get some takeaway, and then yeah, we'll play some games as well. So now the villa is all decorated and finished. So now everyone's left the villa and on the way to the beach, and then I'm gonna go and pick Gobe up now. I'm so excited for this surprise. She doesn't know anything about it, and then also her husband Derek is also coming as well, which she also doesn't know as well. So it's gonna be super exciting. Surprise!
冇人嘅，咁啲神喺度，咁所以我哋去緊一個地方，咁去緊呢個地方冇理由唔係全部人一齊去噶嘛，咁咪即係我哋係要去 villa 度咯。
How'd you feel?
諗下先係做咩㗎啦？要帶毛巾嘅。哇係啊！
點解會喺度？點解？
Hello，我哋呢個係現場，佢咧就，Oh my God，the tide，the tide bro。Sorry，喺呢度。如果唔係，我哋有個地方係仲靚個咯，隱蔽啲，就冇咁多人。不過唔緊要啊，我覺得呢度都 OK 啊，而家都冇乜人，又有音樂聽。Welcome to Gobe's Beach Club! 好搞笑！
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. So last night everyone left at like 2:30 and I ended up sleeping at like 4 a.m. But this morning I woke up at around 7 and now it's 9 a.m. We're about to leave to go to the beach club. This is our lovely villa's mom. Say hello. Hello. She's just so shy. She's not that shy. Normally she's not that shy. Hello, baby girl. Hi. So tired. tired. Cannot function. What time do you sleep last night? 3. Hello, Putu. So I just did an outfit change and now we're in a beautiful restaurant. We just caught the sunset just on time. We've got some good photos. It's so pretty here, this restaurant.
It's not even hot.
Yeah.
It's not that cold today, I think.
And it's not humid. It's just perfect. It's basically like UK weather. Bye-bye, Villa. So sad, so empty now. But now we're going to Canggu to our new apartment. Good morning, everyone. So right now we're heading to puppy yoga. Just finished the puppy yoga and oh my gosh, the puppies were so cute. There was more puppy playing than actual yoga.
Yeah.
So if you prefer only yoga, don't come here. Now we're heading to a beach club called La Brisa and then we'll be heading to the airport.
The vibes here are nice, but the water's too cold. I wish that the water wasn't that cold.
It was nicer yesterday at, what's it called? Marie Beach Club. It's time to leave.